Okay, let's try another differential equation, solving it through the Laplace transform, okay? So we have a first order differential, non-homogeneous differential equation with a initial condition in it, okay? So let's do the Laplace transform, and then let's see if we can do the inverse transform and just get the solution to our differential equation, okay? So first thing is, let's do the Laplace transform. Okay, so L of the derivative plus 6, and it's going to be L of y is going to equal L of e to the 4t. Okay? So, this first one is f of s minus y of 0 plus 6f of s is going to equal 1 divided by s minus 4. Okay? We have our initial condition, y of 0 is 2. Let's just go ahead and plug that in. So, s f of s minus 2 plus 6 f of s is going to equal 1 divided by s minus 4. Okay, I don't want the 2 on this side because I want to group everything with an f of s together. So everything that you have on this side that does not have an f of s on it, move it to the opposite side of the problem, okay? And then I'll have an s f of s plus 6 f of s, and that allows me to write that as s plus 6. Now f of s is going to equal 1 divided by s minus 4. And like I said, I'm moving the 2 to the other side of the problem. Okay, so we're just going to pull that 2 over there. And then we're grouping the f of s's together. Okay, so now I still don't want this s plus 6 on here. So I'm going to divide the entire problem by s plus 6. So f of s is going to equal 1 divided by, this is going to be s minus 4 times s plus 6 plus now 2 divided by s plus 6. Okay, so at this point of the problem, you could combine these two things. I would say it's easier if you don't, and just say, why don't I just try to break this guy up, and then once I've broken this one up, then I'll combine it with the other one. So let's break that one up. So what are we going to get? 1 divided by s minus 4 times s plus 6 is going to equal a divided by s minus 4 plus b divided by s plus 6. Sorry. Okay, so that's going to be our partial fraction decomposition of this problem. Okay. So now we need to multiply both sides of the problem by s minus 4 times s plus 6. Okay. So 1 is going to equal a times s plus 6 plus b now times s minus 4. Okay. All right, so I'm going to let s equal negative 6. Okay? So if I let s equal negative 6, it's going to kill a. Okay? And then b is going to have a negative 6 minus 4, which is negative 10. And so what does that tell me? That's telling me that b is going to equal negative 1/10. Okay? Then I could say, well, let's let s equal 4. Okay? So that's going to completely eliminate the b term because of 4 minus 4. And then a is going to be multiplied by 4 plus 6, which is 10. So a is going to be 1 divided by 10. Okay. All right, so let's look at the problem. We were at this a second ago. So f of s now, okay, so a is 1 divided by 10. So that's going to be 1 divided by 10 times 1 divided by s minus 4, and minus 1 divided by 10, and that's going to be 1 divided by s plus 6. And then we had that extra term on there that was plus 2 divided by s plus 6. Okay. All right, so at this point, let's go ahead and we combine this term and that term. And so 2 divided by s plus 6 is the same thing as saying 20 divided by 10, okay? So 20 divided by 10 minus 1 divided by 10 is going to be 19 divided by 10. So this is going to equal 1 divided by 10 times 1 divided by s minus 4, okay? And then plus 19 divided by 10 times 1 divided by s plus 6. Parentheses are a little weird, but okay, so at this point of the problem, you can do the inverse transform. So L inverse of f of s is going to equal 1 divided by 10 L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 4 and plus 19 divided by 10 L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 6. Okay. Now L inverse of f of s is just going to be our y of t. Okay? Now remember, it's 1 divided by s minus a. So this is going to be 1 divided by 10 e to the 4t. And I said s minus a, so this is really going to be s minus negative 6. So that would be plus 19 divided by 10 times e to the minus 6t. And that right there is our solution to the problem. We already inserted the initial condition, and that's it. That's the solution to this.